Hello children and welcome in our next video. In our last videos we have already done the revision of Good Night Anu. Repeatedly we have finished the activities that Anu used to do. Now in our this video we will share and we will discuss about the eating manners or the table manners. Okay, and also we will discuss the dinner time uh, with a family. That is the most enjoyable, what we will say, the most enjoyable and funnable moment of our day is having a dinner together with a family. So today we will discuss about having a dinner together at home. Okay, I can say that dinner time is a only moment where all the family members sit together. They can enjoy, they can share, they can discuss, and they can do lot of things, right? They can discuss lot of things. We do a lot of discussion on dinner table. Whatever the things are there to be decided by our family members, either it is our father, mother, or our grandparents, or either we also can decide lot of things at the dining table. So here is a table and here is our dinner ready, and during taking our dinner we discuss a lot of things. So let I will explain you the things that we discuss on dinner table. First of all, we discuss about tomorrow's topics for the day on dinner table. Means what are our tomorrow's planning. Usually we discuss with our parents about our tomorrow's plannings on the dinner table, because it is the only time where we all meet together, right? So the next is the dad decides tomorrow's work schedule while eating, right? While eating, there are certain things in our dad's mind. Ke, what are my tomorrow's plan? How I am going to arrange my day for tomorrow? So dad always decides tomorrow's work schedule while eating on a table. It is there in his mind. Next, we decide what to wear tomorrow's on my friend's party. For example, if my friend's birthday is today, I'm supposed to go for my friend's birthday tomorrow, so I will decide what I will wear tomorrow for the party. Then mom will decide the things to buy for tomorrow's kitchen cooking. Means it will be there in mom's mind ke tomorrow I have to go to the vegetable market, I have to bring potatoes, onions, I have to make the pickle also, so I have to bring green mangoes. So all these things are there in our mother's mind. Okay, what are my cooking schedule for tomorrow, and what are the things, what are the raw materials I have to bring from the market for the same. Then my sister will think and she will decide to have a fun or meet with childhood friend. My sister, my didi will decide, kya mom, tomorrow my childhood friend is coming from Delhi, so I have to meet her. So shall I go tomorrow? So she will take the permission for tomorrow, today only on the dinner table, right? And then a brother decides to go for a football practice, and brother will ask to the father, ke father, may I go for a football practice tomorrow? My all friends are going to gather at a ground and we are going to plan for a practice, so shall I go with them? So these are the different discussions that we usually do on the dinner table. Maybe these discussions are for tomorrow, but most of the times we also discuss the things that have done today, what things we have done today, and what are the plannings for tomorrow. These both are the part of our dinner table discussion. Here is our mom. Rather than we discuss for tomorrow, our mom discuss with the dad about the things happened today. In other ways, she can say that we can say that she's always ready to complain about us to dad. She will, when we will finish our dinner, then our mother will make excuse and say, okay, you go, I'm coming, I have to clean the table. And then what she will do, she will complain about us to the dad. Okay, today he bothered me a lot, today they were not ready to listen me, they were not completing the homework on time, they were not ready to eat the ladyfinger vegetable, they only want the junk food. Like this all she will complain to the dad about the day. And obviously she is our mother, she will complain only, right? But it's our duty, we should take care our mother should not complain anything about us, because she is a mother, she has to work a lot throughout the day, and she has to manage all the things for the day, she has to plan the things for the tomorrow, right? So it's our duty not to make a mother worry, or not to make our mother in trouble, and we should not give a chance to complain anyone about us, being in a family, right? So always try to be a good children, always try to start your day with a positive energy, and always try to make your mother happy, because the mother is the only person in your family who can manage your day, who can make your day good, and who can make your day bad. So it's your responsibility to make your mother happy, and don't give any chance to your mother to complain about anything from you. Okay, so in this way we have our dinner daily, we discuss for today, we discuss for tomorrow. We also had certain wrong things throughout the day, we also had done some good things in a day. So all these discussions usually we are having on a dinner table. So in this way we can say that our day get finished, and our planning is ready for tomorrow on the dinner table. So I can say you that having a dinner together with a family is a fun and most enjoyable moment of the day, because all the family members are together here. They enjoy, they discuss, sometimes they have a fun, they laugh, they smile. Or I can say that if any funny jokes are there in our mind, usually we should not, we can, but we should share it on the dinner table, so that each and every family member feels that attachment, we are attached to each others, because the dinner time or the table time is a thing that is a moment where it gives a chance to feel everyone special, and it gives us chance to show the involvement of our as a family member in our family, right? So I hope you also are enjoying the dinner and the lunch or the breakfast, or having a food together, because in this pandemic of covid we all are uh, together and having a good time with our family. So I will tell you, it is the only time where you can learn so many good manners from your family, and it is the only time where you can share your feelings, and you can show your family you are the most important thing in my life as a family. So it's my request, be always positive, give always time to your family, try to make your family always happy, and don't let your mother to feel any worriness, or to feel any complain about you. Okay, till then, have a good day and enjoy. Okay, in